adjectives or describing words.
Adjectives describe a noun. Remember, a noun is a name of person, place, or thing. Let's describe a carpenter. A carpenter is a noun. He is a person. A carpenter is strong. He is tall. School is a noun. It's a name of place. Let's describe a school. A school is small. Another describing word for school is clean. How about a pencil? Can you describe a pencil? Yes, a pencil is long. One adjective is sharp. Strong, tall, small, clean, long, sharp. They are adjectives. Adjectives describe things. The leaf is green. The ball is round. The mangoes are sour. Adjectives describe persons. The teacher is kind. The boy is studious. The mother is loving. Adjectives describe places. The restaurant is clean. The school is small. The church is quiet. Adjectives describe animals too. The bird is cute. The giraffe is tall. The ant is tiny. Now, I want you to answer this activity. Choose the adjectives in the sentences. You may use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Are you done? So let's check your work. Number 1, I love my brown puppy. The answer is brown. Number 2, my sister is kind to me. The answer is kind. Number 3, the leaf is green. The answer is green. Number 4, I visited an old church. The answer is old. Number 5, the pencil is short. The answer is short. Are you correct?
First rate! Remember kids, do to others as you would have them do to you. Look, 6:31.